Okay, good evening for F1 KJA, and I would like to introduce to you. We have just finished a Motorola repeater. So a different version of a repeater. This is the receive and this is the transmit side. Okay, so on the receive side, okay, this is a GP88 unit inside. So with the COR, and at the same time this is to transmit a Motorola radius. We reprogram the frequency array assignment for this repeater, and the owner of this is Old Man Janus from Cebu. Okay, so actually I programmed 6 frequency for this one, but example from 1 and 2 same frequency, 3 and 4 same frequency, and 5 and 6 same frequency. The only thing is why I programmed that one, so he can select from what tone tail of the Motorola repeater we would like to choose. So going to get the portable. So right now I'm not going to announce the frequency. So for the tail for the first set of this repeater, so here is it. 1 2 1 2 3 4. Okay, so that is the first set of the tail of the repeater. 1 2 1 2. There's mic. 1 2 1 2. Okay, if we are going to select it on channel 4, you will see the difference from the tail of the repeater. That will be a selection of star. A while ago on channel 3, that is MDC 1200, and on channel 4 that will be the star. So we'll try to test it again. 1 2 1 2. Okay, at least you can hear the difference of the tail. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Well, from the previous setting of this repeater is not working, and at the same time it has a different conversion as a box repeater. So right now I reconverted it into a COR, the original COR of the Motorola radius. So that's it. I hope Old Man Janus would like this video. So for your selection, either 3 and 4 or either 5 and 6, 1 and 2 for different selection of the repeater. So Old Man Janus, I will give you the frequency of this repeater, at the same time how you are going to set up the settings on the portable, so you can trigger this repeater. So for the power, okay, for the power of this repeater, okay, 1 2 1 2. Okay, 1 2, it's 45 watts. 1 2 1 2. Right here, 1 2 1 2. Okay, so is it Old Man Janus from Cebu? So I hope you enjoyed the ham. Okay, so 73 for F1 KJA. More to repair backlogs on this station. Signing off.